Why switch to digital note-taking?
Digital note-taking offers flexibility, easy organization, and quick access to your information. Moving your notes from paper to digital can save time, reduce physical clutter, and help you find important information faster. If you're ready to make the switch, a smooth migration process will ensure you keep all your valuable notes safe and usable.
Assess and prepare your paper notes.
Start by collecting and sorting your existing paper notes. Group them into categories such as work, school, or personal, so you can prioritize what needs to be digitized. Discard outdated or unnecessary material. This will save you time and make your digital transition much more organized and effective.
Choose the right digital tools.
Select a digital note-taking app that fits your needs. Popular choices include Evernote, OneNote, Notion, and Google Keep. Consider features like searchability, device compatibility, and organizational options. Test a few apps to see which interface you prefer before committing to one for long-term use.
Digitize your notes efficiently.
Scan your important paper notes using your phone or a document scanner. Apps like Microsoft Lens or Adobe Scan can convert handwritten pages to digital text. Organize your scanned files into folders or notebooks within your chosen app. For handwritten content, consider using handwriting recognition tools when available.
Organize and review your digital notes.
Once digitized, arrange your notes within your chosen app using tags, folders, or notebooks. Review each note for clarity and completeness as you go. This is a good time to tidy up, consolidate similar notes, and update any information to keep your new digital system streamlined and effective.
Build new digital habits.
Consistently use your digital note-taking tool for all future notes. Develop habits like regular reviews, using search features, and backing up your notes to the cloud. Over time, you'll benefit from increased productivity, better organization, and always having your notes at your fingertips.